Mm-hmm. Okay, this is slab. There are the three loops are set up in this one. Let mu be the mass per, or lambda be the mass per unit length of this. Let L be the length of the rope, and mu be the mass per unit length. The slab, some L/3 length of the slab is there between the plates. L is the length of the slab, and it's a square plate. Separation between the plates is D. Now, what should be the applied EMF? So that three loops will be set up in this rope here. So here a standing wave is set up. Find the applied EMF so that the wire will resonate in the third harmonic. One end of the rope, one end of the wire is connected slab, other end to the rigid support. So what can be this? This should be a node, no? String resonates in third harmonic. Find applied EMF E. This is what happens in most of our physics problems. The moment you learn, you will start applying to the other ideas there. Who will provide from where the tension will come? This particular force. So what is this F? F should be equal to T. Epsilon naught L E square K minus 1 2T. This F only will provide the required difference. So if it resonates in the third harmonic, if it resonates in third harmonic, so what is the formula for that? 3V by 2L. 2L. So this V is what? T by mu. And in fact, F equal to T. This tension is what F. So this will be F naught L E square K minus 1 2T mu. Solve for E, you'll get the required answer. F is the frequency will be given, third resonant frequency. Now you can apply some variable force also. You may impart some velocity for this. You may impart some kinetic energy. You can do whatever you want with this one. I just shown some related to different things. So please do work out this one. So don't get scared the moment you see that one. The moment you see dielectric slab placed between the plates of capacitor, you can bring this concept. A constant force will act here. That force will be related to, that force will become a part of a system.